a 4-bedroom home with a pool for $495,000 in Myrtle Beach. Hi, I'm Lane Moradu, realtor in the Myrtle Beach area of South Carolina, bringing you information about homes and lifestyle here. Today, I am bringing you my latest listing, 5406 Longhorn Drive in Myrtle Beach. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-story home. Now, it is an open floor plan home, so the kitchen, the dining room, and the family room are all opened up together. And so, this lives so well, whether you're just enjoying time with your family or you're entertaining. Also on the first floor is the primary bedroom suite. And that can be so convenient. Sometimes it's just really nice to be able to go to the primary bedroom suite without having to climb stairs. So on the second floor are the 3 extra bedrooms. This home was very thoughtfully designed. None of the 3 bedrooms share a wall, which really lends to the privacy of each bedroom. And there's also a very large flex space, a very large bonus room upstairs that you can use for whatever you like. So now this home also has an in-ground pool. I mentioned that before. That in-ground pool is a saltwater pool, and a saltwater pool is much easier to take care of than a chlorinated pool. And also it feels better to swim in. Like when you get out of a chlorinated pool, your skin can feel kind of sticky and maybe even kind of itchy as you dry off. In a chlorinated pool, it doesn't feel any different on your skin than if you're getting in and out of a bathtub. The backyard is fully fenced with a 6-foot privacy fence, so you can enjoy that pool or the screened porch, which I had not mentioned before. This home also has a fully screened in back porch. So if you want to enjoy your evenings in an enclosed space, but still enjoy the outside air, this is a perfect spot. Another very nice feature about the location of this home is that it is adjacent to a neighborhood pond. So that just gives you a little bit more space between this house and homes of the other nearby neighbors. There are some special features of this house that are above and beyond what you might typically find. And one of those things is a whole house generator. The sellers of this house have told me they've never needed to use this whole house generator. They've never lost power. But if we were ever to lose power because of a tropical storm or hurricane or something, whoever owns this house will have the generator for power, so you'll never lose power. Another thing that comes with this house is a robotic pool cleaner, making this pool just that much more easy care. I watched this robotic pool cleaner in action. It not only cleans the bottom, but it goes up the sides of the pool. Those are just some nice things that come with the house. I also want to just talk about the location of this home. So this home is in the community. It's a very popular community called the Farm at Timberlake. And it's a popular community because it has sidewalks, which lends itself to just a very neighborly feeling throughout the neighborhood. Also, this neighborhood has a lot of amenities. It has 2 very large ponds. The ponds are stocked with fish, and there is a fishing pier on one of the ponds. It also has an indoor pickleball court, and it has 2 swimming pools and a playground. The Farm at Timberlake, that community, is also in a wonderful place in Myrtle Beach. So Myrtle Beach is large enough that it has 4 zip codes. People don't tend to realize that. Myrtle Beach has quite a large land space. So this neighborhood is on what locals call the South End. So here, because Myrtle Beach is as large as it is, and also because the entire Myrtle Beach area actually extends 60 miles long, here, locals will say, "Oh, do you live on the north end, or do you live on the south end, or do you want to go to a restaurant on the north end, or do you want to go to the restaurant on the south end?" They'll refer to that generally. This neighborhood, the Farm at Timberlake, is on the south end. It is in Myrtle Beach, so the placement of it is adjacent to other popular South End towns like Surfside Beach and Murrells Inlet, if you're familiar with those. Nearby is the Highway 31, which is a major north-south artery here. So since you're so close to Highway 31, you might be on the south end, but if you want to eat dinner on the north end, you just hop on Highway 31 and you're just there in 15 minutes. It's also very close to Highway 707, which will take you further south, because maybe you want to go to Surfside or Myrtle's Inlet or Polly's Island. So you get the idea of the great location of this. Should you be interested in this listing, or if you might know someone else who is, just please contact me. Just text me, call me, email me. If you have enjoyed this video, which I hope you have, please just give it a quick like. And if you would like to see more videos about the Myrtle Beach area, please click right here.